A warm welcome to all the finalists of Duke's present Sakshi Math B in association with Trips International School. Now, we have the Category 1 of Andhra Pradesh. Sakshi Math B launched with a basic intention to make the students fall in love with learning and carrying the excellence forward. Sakshi Math B started in 2015 and we have done 8 long seasons, and now currently we are at 9th season, making the students fall in love with learning. Now, we start the event and we welcome everybody, guys. So before we dive into the competition, let me just explain you the rules and regulations. In round 1, each and every student gets 2 questions each. If they answer both the questions right, then they make it to the next round. If they answer both the questions wrong, then they would be eliminated. If they answer 1 question right and 1 question wrong, then they would be getting a third tiebreaker question, which when answered correctly would make them into the next round. So students, I'm equally excited as you guys. So without further delay, let's start our Sakshi Math B in association with Trips International School. Okay, let me invite the first contestant from Andhra Pradesh, Category 1, Grishma from Pratibha English Medium School, West Godavari. Grishma, first question. On your screen now, what is the time when the short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 12? Options please. 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. You have 60 seconds.
Option B, 4 o'clock.
Please lock option B, 4 o'clock. The right one. Grishma, you have one more question to answer. Next question for the Grishma. On the screen, please. The 5th month of the year is, options please, March, April, May, June.
May. Option.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Shall I lock it? Okay. Please lock option C, May. The right one. Let me invite the second contestant, Rudwin from Vishwabharati English Medium School, Anantapur. Rudwin, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First question on your screen now. Which of the following numbers are in decreasing order? Please identify the order, Rudwin. Okay. These are the following options. Read the options carefully.
Option C, sir.
Option C. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option C. The right one, Rudwin. So we have one more question for you. Next question on your screen now. The 8th number in the sequence 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is. Options please. 30, 35, 40, 45. The 8th number in the sequence of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
40. Option C, sir.
Okay, please lock option C, 40. The right one, Rudwin. Let me invite the third contestant, Purnanand from Medify World School, Tirupati. Question on the screen now. The medicine in a droplet is 1 dash. Options please. Millimeter, liter, meter, centimeter. Please read the question properly.
Milliliters. A. Option A, milliliters.
Please lock option A, milliliter. The right one. Next question on your screen now. The number of days in a leap year is. Options please. 365, 366, 367, 368.
Sir, option B, 366.
Please lock option B, 366. The right one. Let me invite the fourth contestant, Soham from Nalanda Vidyaniketan, Vijayawada. First question, Soham. On the screen now. How many months in an year have 28 days? Options please. 1, 2, 3, 12.
Sir, 1.
Please lock option A, 1. That's the wrong answer, dear. Option D, 12 is the right answer. Fine. No problem, you have one more question. Next question on the screen, please. 5 tenths plus 2 tenths plus 2 ones is equal to, options please, 25, 52, 27, 72. Please read the question carefully, Soham, and then give me an answer. You have 50 seconds left. Please read it.
Sir, D72.
Please lock D72 is the right one, Soham. Let me invite the fifth contestant, Lokesh from Sriniketan School, Nellore. Ready, Lokesh? Comfortable? Okay, perfect. First question, Lokesh, on your screen now. 42 tens minus 18 tens is equal to dash tens. Options, please. 24, 42, 34, 60. Read the question carefully, dear. 42 tens minus 18 tens is equal to dash tens. Options 24, 42, 34, 60. Read the question correctly, dear. Also see the timer.
Option B.
Please lock option B, 42. The wrong one, dear. Option A, 24 is the right answer. No problem. You have one more question, dear. Second question. On your screen now. There are 12 months in an year. January is taken as the first month of the year. What is the position of November month? Options are 12, 11, 10, 9.
Option B.
Are you sure? Please lock option B, 11. The right one. Let me invite the sixth contestant, Mahati from Vishwabharati English Medium School, Anantapur. First question, Mahati, 60 seconds. On your screen now. What time is it when it is R to 12 midnight? Please read the question carefully. Options, please. 11 a.m., 11 p.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m. What is the time when it is an R to 12 midnight?
Sir, option B, 11 p.m.
Please lock option B, 11 p.m. The right one. Next question, Mahati. On the screen now. Avinash weight is 50 kg. Ramu is 4 kg heavier than Avinash. What is the weight of Ramu? Options, please. 46, 54, 57, 47. Please read the question properly, dear. Avinash weight is 50 kg. Ramu is 4 kg heavier than Avinash.
Sir, option B, 54.
Option B, 54. The right one. Let me call upon the next contestant, Chakresh from Edify World School, Tirupati. First question. On your screen now. Which of the following is not correct? Options, please. 10 more than 473 is 463. 100 less than 582 is 482. 10 more than 460 is 470. 1 less than 999 is 998. Read the question correctly. It is not correct.
Sir, option C.
Option C. Please lock option C. C is the wrong answer, dear. Option A is the right answer, but no problem. You have one more question. Second question, please be careful and then answer it. Okay? Okay. Second question. On the screen, please. A frog has 3 legs. How many legs do 50 frogs have all together? Options, please. 100, 53, 150, 180. A frog has 3 legs. How many legs do 50 frogs have all together?
Sir, option 150. C.
Option C, 150. Please lock. The right one, dear. Let me invite the 8th contestant, Riyansh from VP Siddhartha Public School, Vijayawada. Riyansh, first question on your screen now. Choose the equation of 6 sevens. Options, please. 6 into 7, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Please read the question properly. Choose the equation of 6 sevens.
Option A.
Please lock option A, 6 into 7. That's the wrong answer, dear. I ask you to read the question carefully. Equation of 6 sevens. Okay, no problem, Priyansh. You have one more question. Second question on the screen, please. Choose the correct option. Options, please. 8 into 5 is equal to 5 into 8. 8 into 7 is equal to 9 into 7. 8 into 6 is equal to 6 into 8. Both A and C.
D, both A and C.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option D, both A and C. The right one. Let me invite the ninth contestant, Vedashree from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. First question on your screen now. If 2b is divided by 9, then the remainder is 0. What value will be equal to b? Options, please. 5, 6, 7, 8. If 2b is divided by 9, then the remainder is 0.
Option C, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option C, 7. That's the right one. One more question. On your screen now, a boy buys a cap and a bat for rupees 50. If bat cost is rupees 10 more than cap, what is the cost of a cap? Options, please. Rupees 20, rupees 30, rupees 40, rupees 25. Please read the question carefully. Buys a cap and a bat for rupees 50 if bat cost is rupees 10 more than a cap.
Option C, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option C, rupees 40. The wrong one, dear. Option A is the right answer. No problem. So let me invite the 10th contestant, Nidhi from Dr. KKR Gautam School, Vijayawada. Nidhi, first question. On your screen now. Sunny and Dev equally shared a pumpkin pie. What fraction of the pie did each boy get? Options, please. 3 out of 2, 1 out of 2, 1, 2 out of 8. Please read the question carefully, Nidhi. Yeah?
1 out of 2.
Are you sure, Nidhi? Please lock option B, 1 out of 2. The right one, Nidhi. Next question, Nidhi. On your screen, which letter has both curved and straight lines? Options, please. D, W, S, F.
Option A.
Okay, please lock option A, D. The right one. Let me invite the 11th contestant, Jashwita from Samrock International School, Vijayawada. Jashwita, first question on your screen now. Identify the true statement about the sides of a rectangle. Options, please. They are all of same length. They are all curved. 2 parallel sides are short. 2 opposite sides are long. 2 sides are curved. True statement about the sides of a rectangle.
Option C.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option C. The right one, dear. Second question. On your screen now. Hari makes 12 pizzas. He puts 4 pizzas in one tray. Which option could work out the number of trays he needed? Fine. Your options, please. 12 divided by 4. 12 multiplied by 4. 4 subtracted by 12. 12 added to 4. Read the question carefully. Hari makes 12 pizzas. He puts 4 pizzas in one tray. Which option could work out the number of trays he needed?
Option A.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option A, 12 divided by 4. The right one. Let me invite the 12th contestant, Srishti from Medify World School, Kurnool. Srishti? Right? First question, Srishti. On your screen now. Choose the correct statement. Options, please. 12 a.m. denotes midnight. 12 p.m. denotes noon. The second half of the day from noon to midnight is called p.m. All the above. The correct statement. Read the question properly. Understand the options.
All the above. D.
Sure? Please lock all the above. The wrong one, dear. So sorry. Option C is the right answer. But okay, you have one more question. Fine. Second question. On your screen now, what is the extra date we have during the leap year? Find the extra date. Options please. 31st Jan, 29th Feb, 30th Feb, 31st December.
B 29 February.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option B, 29th February. The right one, dear. Let me invite the 13th contestant, Karthikeya from Trips International School, Rajamandri. Karthikeya, first question. On your screen now. 8 minus dash is equal to 76. Options please. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sir, option C 5.
Option C 5. Please lock option C 5. The right one, dear. Karthikeya, one more question.
Yes.
On your screen now. 3 sevens has the same value as. Please read the question. Options please. 37, 7 into 7 into 7, 3 plus 3 plus 3, 7 plus 7 plus 7.
Sir,
3 sevens has a same value.
Sir, option D.
Please lock option D. The right one, dear. Let me call upon the 14th contestant, Ashwath from Trips International School, Rajamandri. Ashwath, first question on your screen now. 952 written in words is. Options please. These are the respective options. Please go through this.
Sir, option C 952.
Okay. Please lock option C, 952. The right one, dear. One more question. On your screen now. Which of the following is same as rupees 15? Options please. 15 paisa, 150 paisa, 1500 paisa, 500 paisa.
Sir, option C 1500 paisa.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option C, 1500 paisa. The right one. So, students, as mentioned, there are those students who have answered one question right and one question wrong, right? Now, we would be having a tiebreaker round in which each and every student would be given one question each with a time limit of 45 seconds. Fine. If they answer it right, they make it to the next round. If they do not answer, then they would be eliminated. Okay. So, let me call upon the first contestant, Soham from Halanda Vidyaniketan, Vijayawada. Soham, one question, 45 seconds. On your screen now. There are 12 boxes of muskmelon. Each box has 6 melons. How many melons are there in all? Options please. 42, 72, 62, 52. 12 boxes of muskmelon.
Sir,
Yeah?
72.
Please lock B72. The right one, dear. Let me invite the fifth contestant, P. Lokesh from Sriniketan School, Nellore. Lokesh, one question, 45 seconds. On your screen now. There are 4 boxes of apple. Each box has 75 apples. How many total apples are there? Options please. 600, 500, 400, 300. There are 4 boxes of apples. Each box has 75 apples. Please have a tap on your timer, dear. 30 seconds.
Option D.
Please lock option D, 300. The right one, dear. Let me call upon the 7th contestant, Chakresh from Edify World School, Tirupati. Question for Chakresh on the screen, please. There are 6 boxes of mango. Each box has 28 mangoes. Also, there are 12 boxes of kiwi fruit. Each have 6 kiwi fruits. How many mangoes and kiwi fruits are there? Options please. 222, 232, 252, 242. Read the question, understand it carefully. It is a sub-question also. 6 boxes of mangoes. Each box has 28 mangoes. Also, there are 12 boxes of kiwi fruits. You're left with last 10 seconds, dear. Last 4 seconds, dear.
232.
232.
Option B.
Please lock option B, 232. The wrong one, dear. Option C, 252 is the right one. No problem. Well tried, dear. Well tried. Come on, guys. Let's clap for our friend. Let me invite the 8th contestant, Riyansh from VP Siddhartha Public School, Vijayawada. Question on the screen now. Surey shared 200 candies with her friend. Candies are distributed equally among 40 friends. How many candies does each get? Options please. 10, 4, 5, 8. Read the question carefully, Riyansh. 30 seconds. 200 candies with her friends. Candies are distributed equally among 40 friends. Two parts of the question. Last 10 seconds, dear. Last 4 seconds.
Option B4.
Please lock option B4. The wrong one, dear. So sorry. The right answer is C5. It's okay. It's okay. Well played, dear. Let me invite the 9th contestant, Vedashree from Trips International School, Rajamandri. 45 seconds. One question on your screen now. Simi was making a necklace for herself. She had 40 red stones and 55 blue stones. How many stones did she have in all? Options please. 95, 15, 85, 75. Please read the question carefully.
Option A, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please lock option A, 95. The right one, dear. Let me call upon the 12th contestant, Srishti from Edify World School, Kurnool. Srishti, 45 seconds. Fine. One question on your screen now. There are 250 marbles in a jar. Out of this, Sana gives 150 marbles to Sahara. How many marbles are left in the jar? Options please. 120, 150, 100, 140.
Answer C, 100.
Option C, 100. Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please lock option C, 100. The right one, dear. Now we have completed the tiebreaker round. Fine. Now, from the tiebreaker round, contestant number 5, contestant number 4, contestant number 9, 12 have moved to the next round. Now, we will be having next round with all the students who have done their correct answers in the first round and also who have qualified in the tiebreaker round. Okay, clap for yourself, guys. Let me call upon the first contestant, Grishma from Pratibha English Medium School, West Godavari. You get one question, 30 seconds. Question on the screen now. If you have a 20 rupee note, rupees 10 note and rupees 5 coin, how much money you have in all? Options please. Rupees 25, rupees 15, rupees 35, rupees 45. Yeah, dear?
Option C.
Please look at option C. Option C is rupees 35. Is that the answer? Sure? Okay, please lock option C. 35 is the right one, dear. Let me call upon the next contestant, Rudwin from Vishwa Bharati English Medium School, Anantapur. Rudwin, one question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. How much more is 675 than 489? Options please. 196, 186, 176, 166. How much more is 675 than 489? Please see the timer as well, Rudwin. Last 7 seconds, dear.
186, sir.
Please lock option B, 186. The right one, dear. Let me call upon the third contestant, Purna Anand from Edify World School, Tirupati. Purna Anand, shall we? 30 seconds. One question. On your screen now. There are 865 stamps in Manu's album and 205 stamps in Sahara's album. What is the difference between the number of stamps in two albums? Options please. 1050, 1060, 1070, 1080.
Sir, option C 1070.
Please lock option C 1070. The right one, dear. Let me call upon the fourth contestant, Soham from Nalanda Vidyaniketan, Vijayawada. Soham? Fine. 30 seconds. One question. On your screen now. Pari had 50 marbles. She gave 385 marbles to Adi. How many marbles were she left with? Options please. 125, 115, 135, 145.
Sir, option B 115.
Please lock option B 115. The right one, dear. Let me invite the fifth contestant, P. Lokesh from Sriniketan School, Nellore. Lokesh, good to go? Okay. Question on the screen for Lokesh. The weight of a container full of salt is 650 grams. The weight of the empty container is 200 grams. What is the weight of the salt in the container? Options please. 350, 450, 250, 650. Read the question carefully. Understand it properly. The full container salt is 650 grams. The weight of the empty container is 200 grams.
Option B.
Option B. Please lock option B 450. The right one, dear. Let me call upon the next contestant, Mahati from Vishwabharati English Medium School, Anantapur. Mahati, 30 seconds. One question on your screen now. Mini had 82 beads. Out of these, 56 are red, rest are blue. How many blue beads does she have? Options please. 46, 16, 36, 26. Please read the question, Mahati, properly.
Sir, option D 26.
Please lock option D, 26. The right one, dear. We have the ninth contestant, Vedashri from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Question on your screen now. In a science quiz, the girls scored 75 points and the boys scored 67 points. What was the total number of points scored by all the pupils? Options please. 132, 142, 122, 112. Read the question carefully, understand it properly, dear. And also see the timer. Last 3 seconds.
142, sir.
Please lock option B 142. That's the right one. Let me call upon the 10th contestant, Nidhi from Dr. KKR Gautam School, Vijayawada. One question, 30 seconds. On the screen now. At a bakery, 85 buns were baked in the morning and 76 buns in the evening. How many more buns were baked in the morning? Options please. 19, 18, 9 and 8. Please read the question carefully, ma. Understand it properly. And also see the timer. Last 10 seconds, dear.
C.
Please lock option C 9. The right one, dear. Let me invite the 11th contestant, Shashwita from Samrock International School, Vijayawada. Shashwita, 30 seconds. Right? One question on your screen now. Sumit has 29 stickers. Smita has 62 more stickers than Sumit. How many stickers that Smita has? Options please. 81, 91, 71, 101. Please read the question carefully, ma. 29 stickers. Smita has 62 more stickers than Sumit.
Option B.
Please lock option B, 91. The right one. Let me invite the 12th contestant, Srishti from Edify World School, Kurnool. One question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. Akrita mother has rupees 500. She spends 225 in buying fruits. How much more money is she left with? Options please. 220, 225, 250, 275. Read it, understand it carefully. Last 10 seconds, dear. Last 3 seconds, dear.
Sir,
So sorry. Please tell me the answer.
A, sir, A.
Please lock option A. That's the wrong one, dear. Option D, 275 is the right answer. But you played well. Let me call upon the 13th contestant, Kartikeya from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Ready, Kartikeya?
Yes, sir.
One question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. Shiny buy 80 pen stands from a stationery shop. If she keeps 2 pens in each stand, how many pens does she keeps in 80 pen stands? Options please. 120, 140, 160, 180.
Sir, option C, 160.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Why, dear?
Because 2 multiplied by 80 is equal to 160.
That's the right explanation. Option C is the right answer. Let me invite Ashwath from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Ready, Ashwath?
Yes, sir.
You have 30 seconds. One question to answer. Okay. A table has 4 legs and chairs have 4 legs. How many legs are there altogether for 20 tables and 10 chairs? Options please. 220, 280, 240, 120. Read the question properly. Understand it carefully.
Sir, option D, 120.
Option D, 120. Please lock option D, 120. The right one. Let me just invite P. Grishma from Pratibha English Medium School, West Godavari. Question on your screen now. Which of the following is in decreasing order? You have to identify the decreasing order. Options please. The options are as follows. Please read the options properly, dear.
Option B.
Option B. Please lock option B. Sorry, dear. Option B is in ascending order. Fine. But well played, Grishma. Well played. Let me invite the next contestant, Rudwin from Vishwa Bharati English Medium School. Rudwin, one question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. John was born 3 days later than Ria. Ria is born on 10th November. Find out John's birthday. Option please. 7th November, 8th October, 7th September, 13th November.
13th November.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes.
Please lock option D, 13th November. The right one, dear. Let me call upon the third contestant, Purnanand from Edify World School, Tirupati. One question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. The predecessor of 167 is. Options please. 168, 167, 166, 165. Predecessor.
Sir, 166, sir.
Please lock option C, 166. The right one. Let me invite the fourth contestant, Soham from Nalanda Vidyaniketan, Vijayawada. Soham, question on your screen now. The successor of 110 is. Options please. 109, 110, 111, 112. Successor.
111.
Please lock option C, 111. The right one. Let me call upon Lokesh from Sriniketan School, Nellore. Question for Lokesh on the screen. What comes in the pattern of 194, 193, 192, 191, 190? Options please. 195, 189, 188, 187. Identify the pattern.
Option B.
Please lock option B, 189. The right one. Now let's invite the sixth contestant, Mahiti from Vishwa Bharati English Medium School, Anantapur. Question for Mahita. On the screen, please. The following pattern starts with 4 and uses the rule add 6 to previous term. The series is 4, 10, 16, 22, 28. Which of the following statements is true? Options, please. Every number in the pattern is odd. Every number in the pattern is prime. Pattern includes only multiples of 4, every number in the pattern is greater than the previous number. Please read the question carefully, understand it properly, ma.
Sir, option B, every number is prime.
Please lock option B, every number is prime. The wrong one, dear, but appreciated your participation. Let me invite the 9th contestant, Vedashri from Trips International School, Rajamundry. Question on the screen, please. Which among following is a leap year? Options, please. 2017, 2015, 2014, 2016. Which one among the following is a leap year?
2014, sir.
Please lock option C, 2014. I'm so sorry, dear. Option D, 2016 is the right answer. Leap year comes once in 4 years. No problem. Well tried. Well tried. Let me call upon the 10th contestant, Nitya Aradhya from Dr. KKR Gautam School, Vijayawada. Ready, dear? Okay. Nitya, question for you on the screen now. Which unit is used to measure the weight of a microwave oven? Options, please. Grams, meters, kilograms, liters. Which unit is used to measure the weight of a microwave oven? Weight of a microwave oven.
C.
Please lock option C, kilograms. The right one. Let me invite the 11th contestant, Rashmita from Samrock International School, Vijayawada. Rashmita, 30 seconds. One question. On the screen now. Kailash has stick which is 17 centimeters long. He broke 2 centimeters apart of it. Now the length of the stick is dash centimeters. Options, please. Rashmita, 19 centimeters, 17 centimeters, 16 centimeters, 15 centimeters.
Option D, 15 centimeters.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option D, 15 centimeters. That's the right one. Let me invite the 13th contestant, Kartikeya from Trips International School, Rajamundry. Kartikeya, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kartikeya, question for you. On the screen now. Geeta was born in the year 2008. She will be dash years old in 2016. Options, please. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Option C.
Please lock option C, 8. The right one, dear. Let me invite the 14th contestant, Ashwath from Trips International School, Rajamundry. Okay, Ashwath, question for you. On the screen now. 8 legs means 2 cats. 12 legs means dash cats. Options, please. 2, 3, 4, 6. Read the question carefully, dear.
Sir, option D6.
Please lock option D6. The wrong one, dear. So sorry. Option B, 3 is the right answer. No problem. Well tried. Well tried. Let me invite Rudwin from Vishwabharati English Medium School, Anantapur. What comes next in the pattern 26Z, 25Y, 24X? Options, please. 23W, 24W, 23S, 24S. Understand the question carefully. What comes next in the pattern 26Z, 25Y, 24X? Please look at the timer. Last 4 seconds.
24S.
Please lock 24S. Wrong one, dear. No problem. No problem. You played well. You played well. The 23W is the right answer. No problem. Let me invite the next contestant. Contestant number 3, Poorna Anand from Edify World School, Tirupati. One question, 30 seconds.
Okay, sir.
On your screen now. 45 minutes past 6 is same as. Options, please. 0.28125, 15 minutes to 7, 0.3020, both A and B. Read the question carefully. Understand the options properly. 45 minutes past 6.
Sir, option B 15 to 7.
Please lock option B 15 minutes to 7. The wrong one, dear. Option D is the right answer. No problem. Well tried. Well tried. Let me invite the fourth contestant, Soham from Nalanda Vidyaniketan, Vijayawada. Soham, one question. 30 seconds. On your screen now. What was the time 2 hours before 1:10 p.m.? Options please. 11:10 a.m., 11:10 p.m., 12:10 p.m., 12:10 a.m. Understand the question, Soham? 15 seconds.
Sir, option A 11:10 a.m.
Please lock option A, 11:10 a.m. The right one, Soham. Let me invite the fifth contestant, P. Lokesh from Sriniketan School, Nellore. Lokesh, understand the question. Fine. Question for Lokesh on the screen, please. How many days are there from 8th June to 4th August? Include only the last day. Options, please. 67 days, 77 days, 57 days, 47 days. Read the question carefully, understand it, it has a logic. 8th June to 4th August.
Option D.
Please lock option D, 47 days. The wrong answer, dear. The right answer is 57, but well played. Appreciated, appreciated. Well played. Let me call upon the 10th contestant, Nitya Aradhya from Dr. KKR Gautam, Vijayawada. Which of the following number is divisible by 10, 2 and 5? Options please. 24, 20, 28, 25. Read the question, understand it carefully. Divisible by 10, 2 and 5. Options 24, B. Please lock option B, 20. The right one, dear. Let me invite the contestant number 11, Shashwita from Samrock International School, Vijayawada. 358 minus 308 is same as. Options please. 10 plus 70, 28 plus 22, 100 minus 40, 100 plus 40. Read the question carefully. Is same as.
Option B.
Please lock option B. The right one. Let me invite contestant number 13, Kartikeya from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Kartikeya, one question, 30 seconds. On the screen now. If a car travels 42 kilometers in a month, the total distance traveled by car in an year is. Options please. 504, 405, 450, 540.
Sir, 504.
Please lock option A, 504. That's the right one. Let me invite Soham from Nalanda Vidyaniketan, Vijayawada. Comfortable, Soham? Okay, fine. Question on the screen, please. Namita opened a juice bottle containing 1 liter of juice. She shared the juice equally with her sister Amita. How many milliliters of juice will each of them get? Options please. 20 ml, 50 ml, 200 ml, 500 ml. Milliliters. Opened a bottle of 1 liter. Please check the timer, dear.
Sir, option C.
Please lock option C, 200 milliliter. I'm so sorry, dear. Option D is the right answer. No problem. Well played, dear. Well played. Let me invite upon contestant 10, Nitya Aradhya from Dr. KKR Gautam School, Vijayawada. One question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. Mrs. Honey uses 6 glasses of water to make 1 mug of juice. How much water will she use to make 3 jugs of juice? Options please. 12, 18, 24, 30. Read the question properly. Options are 12, 18, 24 and 30.
B.
Please lock option B, 18. The right one, dear. Let me call upon the contestant number 11, Jashwita from Samrock International School, Vijayawada. Question for Jashwita on the screen, please. The label on the bottle suggests that I use 1 cup orange squash to 5 cups water. If I put 7 cups of orange squash into a jug, how much water should I add? Options, please. 30, 32, 35, 40. Please read the question properly. 1. Use 1 cup squash, 5 cups water. Last 10 seconds.
Option D.
Option D. So sorry, dear. Option D is the wrong answer. Option C is the right answer. No problem. Well played. Well played. Let me invite contestant number 13, Kartikaya from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Question on the screen now. Which of the following unit is correct for the given sentence? A sack of wheat weighs 50 dash. Options, please. Gram, liter, kg, milliliter.
Option C, kg.
Option C, kg. Please lock option C, kg. Is the right one. So, Jashwita and Soham, you both will be playing for bronze. Let me invite the contestant number 4, Soham from Nalanda Vidyaniketan, Vijayawada. Soham, for bronze, right? Please listen this, understand it carefully. Okay. Question on the screen, please. Anusha wants to send a parcel of Math Magic textbook to her friend in Bengaluru. The book weighs 300 grams. Then cost of posting the book is dash use 50 grams or less minus as rupees 5 for every edition 50 grams minus 3. Options, please. Rupees 20, rupees 10, rupees 30, rupees 40. Please read the question. It has 2 sub-questions in this. 50 grams, 5 rupees.
Sir.
Yeah.
Option C, 30.
Please lock option C, 30. Sorry, dear. Option A, 20 is the right answer, but well played. Well. Let me invite contestant number 11, Jashwita from Samrock International School, Vijayawada. Jashwita, good to go? Okay, perfect. So please understand the question properly, Jashwita, and then give me an answer. Okay. Question for Jashwita. On the screen, please. What should be the length of a golden thread needed to decorate the boundary of a square photo frame whose side is 30 centimeters? Options, please. 60 centimeters, 900 centimeters, 90 centimeters, 120 centimeters. Kindly read the question properly.
Option D.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option D, 120 centimeters. You back the bronze. So now we'll be playing for gold and silver respectively. Let me invite contestant number 10, Nitya from Dr. KKR Gautam School, Vijayawada. Please read the question, understand it properly. Question on the screen, please. A hockey field is 90 meters and 40 meters wide. How long is the boundary of the field? Options, please. 130 meters, 20 meters, 260 meters, 270 meters. Understand the question? A hockey field is 90 meters into 40 meters wide. How long is the boundary of the field? Last 10 seconds.
A.
Please lock option A, 130 meters. I'm so sorry, dear. Option C, 260 is the right answer, but no problem. No problem. Well tried, well tried. Let me invite contestant number 13, Kartikaya from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Question on your screen now. A mustard flower has 4 petals. How many petals do 70 mustard flower have? Options, please. 210, 280, 320, 270.
Option B, 280.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because 70 multiplied by 4 is equal to 280.
You back the goal, dear. Now we come to the most exciting event of the competition, which is the prize distribution. I would request Mr. Vamshi and Mrs. Rupa, directors from Trips International School, to kindly come on the dais. So these are the tiny tots of category 1. So how was your experience in watching them?
Very wonderful, actually. I think the first 3 rounds, nobody got really eliminated, actually. Really very tough job for the B master here, how we can eliminate people. And I think the time when they reduced, that was the only criteria that they got a little bit confused, or other than that, everyone is equal here.
This was a very pleasing and enjoyable round for all of us. And especially when we saw these tiny tots climbing that high chair, managing themselves so well, and facing all the tough questions with ease. That was what we were enjoying, and I know there are many parents who have so many hopes on their kids. I would like to say that already your kid is a big winner with him on the stage here. So let's have a round of applause for all these tiny little kids.
We request all the participants except the gold, bronze and the silver medals to kindly be seated and rest. Students can kindly come and take your medals and certificates. A big round of applause for everybody, guys. So let me invite Shashwata from Samrock International School, Vijayawada, for bagging the bronze, and she gets 3,000 rupees of cash prize, and with a hamper by Duke's Wafy and a bronze medal. She's scared, actually. Let me invite the next winner of silver, Nitya Aradhya from Dr. KKR Gautam School, Vijayawada. B. Nitya Aradhya from Dr. KKR Gautam, Gudivada bags the silver. And the most awaited award for today, category 1, Andhra Pradesh, the gold medal for Sakshi Math B, goes to Karthikeya from Trips International School, Rajamandri. Congratulations, Karthikeya.